Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you a Dongfeng tanker truck. This truck equipped with air seats, multi-function steering wheels, air conditioning. The truck is equipped with a Cummins 210 horsepower engine, a fast 8-speed gearbox, 275 tubeless steering, air suspension and disc brakes. The truck has tank capacity of 12,600 liters and is equipped with an emergency shutdown valve, an oil and gas recovery system, and an audible and visual alarm system for the emergency shutdown valve in the cab. Finally, let's take a look at this oil tank truck.